Okay, y'all, so I'm back. I got a freshly washed face, and you know, I got my edges under here getting laid or whatever. So yeah, these are my eyebrows. They are super thick. I have not got them done in like probably like 2-3 weeks. Like, it's been a cool minute, not gonna cap. But yeah, these are the thick johns right here. And let me show you all the materials that I use to do my eyebrows. So first things first, I have a spoolie brush. I'm not good with the names, you feel me? But I got this brush right here with the angle tip, okay? And then I have concealer, okay? This is the color. It's a tad bit lighter than me, which I like. I have my ebony pomade. This is Anastasia, and it's ebony color. I'll open it up. So yeah, I got my ebony pomade, and I use this color because, as you can see, my eyebrows are very dark. So like light brown and browns, that just don't work with me. It makes my eyebrows look ashy. So I gotta use, you know, something real dark. This is it. And then I have another angled brush, which I use for my concealer, which y'all be seeing in the video. And last but not least, a sponge. Okay, yeah, sponge. So yeah, only 5 materials. These are only 5 materials I use for my eyebrows. So let's get to it. Okay, so the first thing that I think about when I start, you know, my eyebrows is like, I don't want to make them any thicker than they are right now. So I tend to outline like very, very close to the, you know, to the actual shape. I don't try to make a whole entire different shape. Like, I just try to outline these the best that I can.
So that's basically what I'm doing right now. Just outlining my actual shape. Okay.
So yeah, I always start on the top first. I start with the top, and then I make my way to the bottom. To the bottom.
Don't call me up, go, good, good. Don't call me up, go, good, good. Don't call me up, go.
And I'm just doing light strokes, you know, nothing too crazy. After I outline the top and the bottom, I just go in and fill in like the middle, you know.
Just like that.
Okay, so yeah, just step 1, boo. Step 1. I'm gonna come back on the camera with the second eyebrow done.
Don't call me up, go, good, good. Don't call me up, go, good.
Okay, now I'm looking like I got 2 bricks on my face, but you know, this is step 1. Moving on to step 2, concealer time. Okay, so I get my concealer, and then I get my thin angled brush, and I put the concealer on there like that, like whoop, and get a little good decent amount. And then that's when you're going to I usually start with the bottom. I usually just like look up, and then I start to shape my eyebrows.
Don't call me up, go, good, good. Don't call me up, go, good, good. Don't call me up, go.
And I want to get this concealer like as close as I can to my actual eyebrow, okay? Boom. So just like that. And try to keep your concealer lines as straight as possible, okay? Okay, so now let's move on to the top. To the top.
Good. Don't call me up, go, 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 good. Don't call me up, go.
one eyebrow shaped, and I see a lot of little squagglies, you know, little loose hairs, whatever. So I'm gonna take these scissors real quick and just snip them off, boop, and then we're gonna come right back, do the second eyebrow, and move on.
Good. Don't call me up. Go. Good. Don't call me up. Go. Good. Don't call me up.
Okay, I just concealed both of my eyebrows, and I'm gonna go in with my little scissors and cut off the little flyaway hairs again, real quick. And one thing I would like to mention is that I always conceal my eyebrows to make them thinner. Like, I know some people, when they, you know, have regular size eyebrows, they conceal and they just stick to the original outline of their eyebrows, but I always conceal to make my eyebrows thinner, okay? So just keep that in mind. I don't go too much onto the hairs, but, you know, I try to make them, you know, look a little thinner, you feel me? And now the last step is the blend. So I did put a little bit of water on my sponge, and then I start at the bottom and I just blend this in, you know. And yeah, it's about fully blended. Okay, so now my eyebrows are completely blended, and they're about as even as they're gonna get on my face, okay, period. So I'm gonna do the rest of my face, put some eyelashes on, and come back on camera, okay?
Good. Don't call me up. Go. Good. Don't call me up. Go. Good. Don't call me up. Go. Good. Don't call me up. Go.
And y'all see me though, my look is complete. Make sure y'all like this video, comment on this video, subscribe to me, show your girl some love. Thank you to all my Shay babies. I love y'all, for real. But yes, make sure y'all take my techniques, y'all write them down, y'all write them in your notes or something, you feel me? Because I know it's hard out here for the thick eyebrow girls. I know it's hard. I'm one of them, okay? So yeah, with that being said, until next time, Shay babies.